The first thing that I notice when I look at this film poster for The Duchess is the period costume. There is Keira Knightley stood in the front wearing a big dress, and she has really big hair, and so you can tell she's from a certain historic era. The fact that she's dressed in very nice historic clothes shows her class and that she's perhaps very rich. You can tell that this might be a film about the monarchy. One of the main things that I've noticed about the formation of this film poster is the fact that all of the characters are segregated. Keira Knightley is in the front, showing that she is the most important character, and there is a man stood behind her, showing us that he is the second most important character. And the thing that I've noticed about this is he is looking at her very dominantly, and this shows patriarchy in their society, which is a big theme of period drama films. This next poster also stars Keira Knightley. It's the film Atonement. The two main characters are separated by a barrier in the middle. This could reflect the storyline of the film and how they are separated. You can also tell from this poster that there is a war going on, as the male protagonist is wearing war clothes, and in the middle barrier there are soldiers walking across the screen. Also in this middle barrier there is a little girl, and this could perhaps be the reason for their separation. However, we don't know why. The font used on this film poster looks like typewriter font, and this may suggest that the film is about a letter or perhaps something that someone's typed on a typewriter. It also reflects the era, and it looks like a war font. This film poster is the film adaptation of the Jane Austen classic novel Sense and Sensibility. It revolves around two women, as you can tell by the front of the film poster. However, they are segregated. This could perhaps portray how they have different personalities or they have different views. However, overall you can tell that this is going to be a happy sort of film, as everyone's smiling and there's a very bright contrast. This last film poster for The Notebook is completely different to the other ones that we've seen, because this is the only one where the two characters are actually in the same picture, because the rest of them, they're all segregated. It shows the two of them in an embrace, and they're obviously passionate about each other. This could perhaps tell you that this film is more about romance than it is about the period genre. And it could also suggest that it's more of a Hollywood film. The title, The Notebook, is in a very simple and clear font, and I think that they've done this as to not detract away from the big picture.